In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear brake hose on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located behind the rear wheel. Let's get started. Using a 22mm socket, remove the 6 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using an 11mm socket, remove the union bolt for the brake line. Be sure you have a collection bucket under you before removing this. Remove the brake line and the union bolt. Remove the crush washer from the bolt. Remove the bolt using a 13mm wrench. Remove the rear brake fitting from the brake line. Using a pair of pliers, remove the lock for the line. Remove the old brake line. Install the new brake line. Be sure when you install this side of the line, the flat side that is going to connect the caliper is facing square with it, so it doesn't have to twist or move. Install the fitting into the new line. Get it started by hand. Install the lock. Tap it into place. Snug the fitting down. Get it nice and tight. Install one crush washer onto the union bolt. Install the union bolt through the brake line. Install the second crush washer onto the back side. Install the brake hose into the caliper. Snug the bolt down. Torque the brake line bolt to 30 foot-pounds. Using a 10mm, open up the bleeder screw. Be sure you have a collection bucket under you. We're going to gravity bleed the caliper. Wait for a steady stream of drips of nice clean fluid to come out of the bleeder screw. Once you have that, go ahead and close it down. There we go. We'll lock it back down. Get it nice and snug. Using some brake parts cleaner, clean the area. Anywhere where it got wet. This will make finding leaks easier if you have them. If you have a bleeder cap, go ahead and install that now. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started by hand. Snug the lug nuts down. Torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to 140 foot-pounds. and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.